Another great pro tip for using Google Keep is using the Google Keep Chrome extension, which I had just got in the Chrome web store. Often, especially this year in the pandemic, I haven't been going to a lot of conferences, but I've been attending a lot of webinars and online conferences. So I'll have sessions and sessions that I want to get back to, like creating digital escape rooms, for instance. I used to just feverishly try and type, but with the Keep extension, I can take a quick note and I can say, digital escape rooms. And I might be thinking this would be perfect for a unit that I'm doing in May. So I might just write something about that, right? And now I've saved it, which is great. And it's going to save. Now if I swap over to Keep, and when you take a look at Keep, those will come up in your Keep notes. So here's digital escape rooms, right? Now I can set my reminder for a date and time. And now I could say, you know what, this is when it would be perfect in May when I'm doing this project. I'm going to set a reminder for May 6th, about in the afternoon. And then that way it's out of sight, out of mind. But I took the note so that I will remind myself before the unit comes that this thing that I just learned at this wonderful conference is going to be very useful in my classroom. So there's a quick little pro tip on how to use the Google Keep extension.